Creating well-designed documents with images and information about the artworks can be very challenging, so Amy made it super easy for you. The principle is really easy and I'll quickly show you. From any action, which is a selection of artworks, you can go and hit the print icon. Create your own templates where you decide what kind of info you wish to export, and in a matter of seconds you have created your document. No precious time spent on InDesign, more time for your art. That's where Amy really pays off. So how do we do all that? When you're new to Amy, you first have to set up your layout settings. You only have to do this once. You simply go to the menu, where you can see layout settings for different tools in Amy, but we're going to focus on print layout right now. So click on print layout, and there you see 4 components. Your logo, header, which is a text which you can place between the logo and the main content. Then the content, which are your artworks, and a footer, where you can, for instance, put your contact details. So let's start with uploading our logo. Just click here, go and find it on your computer, and there it is. Now we're also going to enter a footer. So I'm going to put my website and email. For each of those components, you can decide if it should be aligned to the left, middle, or right. I choose middle for my footer and logo, and left for the others. Don't forget to hit the save button. You only have to do this in your layout settings and print templates. All other entries in Amy will be automatically saved. Okay, now we go and create an action. You simply do that by clicking on the plus next to actions. You choose the type of action, and from any action you can go and create documents. For this example, I simply make an artwork list. I fill out the information tab where I name this list, and then I search my artworks, drag and drop them in the artwork list. Eventually I change the order or I delete one of them. And once I'm happy with my list, I can hit the print icon. When you're new to Amy, you don't have any templates yet, so we're gonna create our first templates together. Do that by clicking on the plus. And the good news is you can create as many templates as needed. So give your template a relevant name, for instance, portfolio. Then choose one of these 3 layouts. Portfolio will result in a large image, 1 image per page, with text underneath. Then the caption list layout shows artworks in a list view, with small images on the sides and text right next to it. The Excel layout is literally an Excel export of the items you select, but keep in mind that it's impossible to export your images to Excel. Okay, for this example we pick portfolio layout. Then you choose your paper size, orientation, font size, and font color. And then you go to the most important part, and that's selecting what you want to show on your document. Amy automatically pre-selects the primary image, caption, and edition. So the principle is easy. If the slider is switched on, it means it will appear on your export. So for our case, we want to additionally select our logo, the artwork text, which I have entered as my artwork record in the info tab, and my footer. And I'm pretty happy with this selection of information. I'm gonna hit the save button so my template is saved. I select my template and there it is, my portfolio in just a couple of clicks, including everything I want: my logo, my footer, the artwork image, the caption, and the artwork text. Now, as another example, we're gonna try out the list layout. So create a new template by clicking on the plus. Name it, for instance, price lists. Select the layout. We're gonna go for a caption list. Select the content you wish to include. So for this price list, I also wish to include the retail price, my logo, and footer. I'm happy with this selection. I'm gonna click the save button. I'm gonna select the template and hit print, and we did it again in just a couple of seconds. Once again, you can make as many templates as needed. My advice is to give them relevant names which are easy to recognize. Last created templates always show up last in line. And if you want to edit an existing template, just click on the pencil, modify what's needed, save your template, and you're ready to go. If you want to delete one, hit the edit pencil and delete it here by clicking on the trash can. When you want to go back to Amy, just click here and you're back. Now I'm going to show you one more trick. When you're in a document, you can download it as a PDF, or you can simply copy and send this URL to a receiver who can download the PDF from this place without getting access to your Amy account, of course. Now, once you start playing around with the template builder, you will notice that you can create all of your crucial art management documents. I invite you to explore the wide range of possibilities. Well, now you can go and play around with your templates and create documents in just seconds. I hope this video was helpful to you. Should you still have questions, don't hesitate to drop us a line at contact@amyart.app.